What is a reversible reaction? By KayScience.com. A reacting with B to form C represents most chemical reactions where the reactants react completely to form new products. For example, let's say we were making a cake and we had the ingredients butter, sugar, and flour. So these ingredients represent the reactants, and if we put these reactants in the oven where we heat them, the final product is a cake. And this is an irreversible change as we cannot go back from the cake to the ingredients. If you ever see an arrow like this pointing from the reactants to the products, then you know this is an irreversible reaction. An irreversible reaction you're more familiar with is when magnesium reacts with oxygen. Magnesium is a shiny silvery solid and oxygen is a colorless gas. Heat is applied where magnesium oxide forms. This is a white solid. Magnesium oxide is not able to be magnesium or oxygen again, so this is an irreversible chemical reaction. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. However, some reactions are reversible. For example, if A and B react to form C and D, then at the same time as this is happening, C and D will react to form A and B. A reversible reaction can easily be recognized by the two half arrows, where one arrow shows the direction of the reactants forming the products, and the other arrow shows the products forming the reactants. So because a reversible reaction can go in both directions, at the same time, A and B are reacting in the forward direction, which is to the right, where C and D are formed. And at the same time, C and D are reacting in the backward direction, which is to the left, to form A and B. Therefore, in a reversible reaction, the reactants are forming the products at the same time as the products are forming the reactants. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. An example of a reversible reaction is when ammonium chloride breaks down to form ammonia and hydrogen chloride as the ammonium chloride is heated. So because this is a reversible reaction, ammonia and hydrogen chloride can react to form ammonium chloride when they're cooled. The balance symbol equation is NH4Cl, S for solid, reacts to form NH3, G for gas, and HCl, G for gas. To carry out this experiment, you use a Bunsen burner and you gently heat a small amount of ammonium chloride in a test tube. And you place a bung or some mineral wool at the top of the test tube to prevent the gases from escaping. So this ammonium chloride is a white solid, and when heated, thermal decomposition takes place as the ammonium chloride is broken down, forming ammonia and hydrogen chloride gases. These gases rise to the top of the test tube. It's important to use a bung as this prevents the escape of the gases, which helps asthmatics. At the top of the test tube, it's cooler, so the ammonia and hydrogen chloride recombine to form ammonium chloride, which appears as a white solid coating the inside of the glass. So at the top of the test tube, where it is cooler, the gases reform ammonium chloride on the inside of the glass. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. Pause the video here to practice the keywords. The answers will follow. Press pause to answer the questions. The answers will follow. If stuck, just rewatch the video. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. And don't forget to visit KayScience.com for more videos, worksheets and quizzes at KayScience.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe.